Good morning, everyone. This is Soba. Um, so many people's love language is acts of service, and I feel like it doesn't really get focused on a lot. And so I decided that for me personally, if somebody cooks something for me, that's when I feel superbly loved because you're going to go out of your way, go hot up into the kitchen to make something for me. What kind of love is that? So, it kind of just gave me the inspiration, acts of service as a love language is embodied through this song.
Okay, sorry, hang on, Mikey, 1 second, folks. We have a time signal. The mission of the Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs includes revising Jamaica's legal and constitutional infrastructure and accelerating the pace of reform. The time by the MLCA is 7:15. Sorry, Mikey, go ahead.
In case I can't hear me.
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right. You can manage 10 fried dumplings?
Me personally, no, but that's the point of the song, I'm not the only one eating it. Somebody's making it for me. So if me get 5 and him get 5, or even if me get 3 and him get 3, and then, we have some leftovers for later,
I know soldier dumplings is not soldier size.
Listen to me. We don't know what kind of operation you think we are running in the kitchen.
All right, talk to us about the production. Who penned it? Who produced it?
I penned it, and my producer is Nicholas Graskov, who also is the producer for every single song you've ever heard me put out.
Wow, okay. And now, 10 fried dumplings, and then somebody threw into the mix of questions. What's your preferred breakfast option?
Well, for marketing purposes, I'm going to say 10 fried dumpling and ackee and starfish,
Yes. Fried breadfruit.
Yeah, man, I'm like, I say fried breadfruit, yeah, man. Can't live out that.
You're going to end up with
Here? All right, I go too far now.
You're going to end up with heart conditions. All right, is this song part of a larger project, or is it just going to be a single?
Well, hopefully, we're looking at putting it on an EP, by probably next year. But for now, it's definitely a single.
This could be the start of an album or an EP that just covers nothing but food.
You're not wrong, and I will take that on the advisement. If you don't hear me come out with a food album, you heard it here first.
Does anybody have a food album?
Yes.
Who? Which artist?
I can't remember his name now, but talk about
Soba?
food and
No,
Is that the artist?
Okay.
I'll bring it up to you. I'll let you know.
Really? Okay. All right. So, what's your favorite part of this whole project?
Well, I get to talk about food a lot, which is pretty great, and also just the general encouragement that I've been getting from a lot of people. People love this song. It's like I never really expected it.
I know Mikey has been raving about it since morning.
I didn't know that it was going to be such a part of people's hearts, so putting it out and seeing the way that people have responded to it, like I sing it at different events, and as I said, 10 fried dumpling, people I say, pull up that, and, it's been a joyful part of the journey.
Do you have a video to go with it?
Not yet, but very soon, spoiler alert, there will be a video upcoming. I'm not going to say too much about it now. When it drop, when I go see it, don't worry about it. But there are animations that are being done by my virgin Fred Debs, if you're listening. So you'll be seeing those coming out.
Animations, okay. So where can we catch you live in performance?
Let's see. Today, what, Tuesday? I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know. You'll see it on my Instagram, Love Sober. You can definitely also go on YouTube and look at me performing live.
Oh, okay.
And also, as I was about to say, also this morning, you'll also definitely see me posting clips from this morning's performance on my Instagram, so you can definitely catch me there.
All right, your team is here. Who you want to give a shout out to? Because they're providing coverage for you.
Well, my grandmother is currently in studio with us. Big up Eva, any which part she there, which is right outside. And of course my band, who I could not do this without, Nicholas Graskov on guitar, Glendon on drums from Street Code, and Joe Davis on bass, and the keys in the track. And I also want to big up all of the musicians that worked on this, and every single person that has given me so much support and so much strength. Big up my mother too, can't left you out. And of course big up God, for allowing me the space and the place and the grace to put this out. and have it be so well received.
All right. Which other album or not album, which other single do you have in the works that you think is what you're going to roll out next, and you deep in your heart, do you think this one is going to be a big one?
Well, I don't know why you're looking for spoilers, but I do have another single coming out soon named Medicine, which I think people are really going to love. I've done a couple of little clips of it on Instagram, and people are like, when is this song coming out? So,
all right.
Just look out for it.
Okay.
It's going to be here soon.
Soba, our guest this morning on Cool 97 FM. Mikey wanted you to do this 10 fried dumpling last.
Yes, so it cook right.
He wants the flour to go on raising.
Man. He wants it for hot by the time ready to eat it,
Actually, just do everything for me in the meantime, so we can get it when the time goes, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
so
that is really, 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 listeners, you were talking about it. It is wonderful, really, really nice. Just keep listening.
Okay. All right. So, Soba, our guest on Cool 97 FM. Thanks for joining us in studio.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So, reminding everyone that this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. We're going all the way up to 9 o'clock. We're hoping that you'll be able to spend all of that time, if not the greater part, as we have 3 guests who will be entertaining you this morning inside of Live Tuesday. So, Jay Ritten is one of our guests, Renza another, and you're about to hear from Soba. Cool 97 FM, continuing with Mellow Mornings Live Tuesday.
Cool 97 Radio.
at them innocent, scream at them. Them bursting at the seams, them smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. Cause I've seen at them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them, rob them at them innocent, scream at them bursting at the seams, yeah. Never what they seem. When a cold night in a dim light, when our war zone is a street fight. So me know them are no clean. When a young girl hear a footstep and our last look is our last look. So me know them heart no clean. When every altercation is a bloody situation. When government say rival more than them say education. When youths are learn to look this instant gratification. Some me know, some me know, some me know, some me know. Say I sin a them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them at them innocent, scream at them bursting at the seams, them smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. Cause I seen at them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them at them innocent, scream at them bursting at the seams, yeah. Never what they seem, no, no. We offer daily bread, but every human on this land living in daily dread. And we allow the youths to be misled. Forgive us, God, for what we do and show us what to do instead. Show us what to do instead. Fathers rather run the road than build a home and be the head. Mothers let temptation turn their eyes from what the scripture said. Train a child how we should go and he will not depart from me. People with tears in their eyes. Too many people, them wonder if them go come back alive. I seen that them badness get a hold of them. Rob them at them innocence, scream at them. Bursting at the seams, them smiling at your face, but them never what they seem. Seen at them heart no clean. Badness get a hold of them. Rob them at them innocence, give at them bursting at the seams. Them smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. No, no. Oh, 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 oh. Them smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem. No. Smiling at your face, but them is never what they seem.
For matters of the heart.
This week, we're going live on Cool 97 FM. Tune in to Live Tuesday, your spot for the coolest live music on the rock. Inside Live Tuesday, July 30 from 7 to 9 a.m. Back with us is Soba. Then fresh off the JCDC trail, we've got Renza. Plus, Jay Ritten takes the cool stage. Catch it all from the Cool 97 FM studios and streaming on cool97fm.com. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, and brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water, and Chemix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
Summer Night Harbour Cruise, Saturday, August 3 on board the Loose Cannon 3. Before you board, kick off the party with your 360 photo booth experience. Boarding starts at 6 p.m. from the Grand Excelsior Hotel, Port Royal, formerly Morgan's Harbour. Anchor lifts at 7 sharp. Secured parking available opposite the hotel. Tickets, $13,000 per person, $25,000 per couple. Available exclusively from Cool 97 FM, 1 Braemar Avenue, New Kingston, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or online at cool97fm.com. Get yours as soon as possible. Don't forget to bring your receipt and ID to board. No weapons allowed. The Cool 97 FM Summer Night Harbour Cruise, Saturday, August 3. Mark your calendar. You're inside a segment of Live Tuesday that's brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. And on our stage right now, remember, we have 3 guests, but the first one to sing for you, Soba. And we're going to go back and once again welcome Soba and her team to another Live Tuesday. They've been here before. Look out, you having breakfast now? Well, there's what is sure to be a #1 song that'll be coming your way in a matter of minutes.
Okay.
Crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us, you and I. Just the two of us, building them castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is, and it don't make no flowers grow. Oh, good things may come to those who wait, but not for those who wait too late. And we gotta stand on all we know. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two, just the two, just the two of us. Building castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. Yeah. I'd like to once again introduce my band. They're trying to call themselves the Bartenders, but we'll see how that goes. We have Nicholas Graskov on guitar. We have Glendon from Street Code on the drums. And we got Joe Davis on bass. And we have the tracks on keys. Ooh, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building a castle in the sky. Just the four of us. You and I. Just the two, you and I. You and I. Oh yeah. All right. All right, guys. So, my newest single, 10 Fried Dumpling, is out now. I don't know, I'll get a little glimpse of it now. So, you know, you're welcome from me to you. Ooh, 8 a.m. on Sunday morning, woken by the light in your eyes. I said, and now I'm darling. Told me that you have a surprise. And I walk into the kitchen to the sound of reggae music. And you tell me not to worry, cause you know I'm gonna love this. 10 fried dumpling frying out of pot this morning, baby. Ask me if I want a little lucky and starfish with my cup of coffee. You give me a reason to be grateful for my blessings. Cause you make every single day feel like a Sunday morning. Yeah, said I never had a moment so divine. And I hope you know there's no doubt in my mind that you're the one I'm loving for a lifetime. No need no other, no need for up no sideline. You give me a purpose when I'm looking for a lifeline. Keep my heart so steady when it's beating overtime. I know that you'll be there for me in sickness or in prime time. And it else that you're so fine. 10 fried dumpling frying out of pot this morning, baby. Ask me if I want a little lucky and starfish with my cup of coffee. And you give me a reason to be grateful for my blessings. Yeah, 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 yeah. And you make every single day feel like a Sunday morning. a Sunday morning. Oh, 10 fried dumpling fried out of pot this morning, baby. Ask me if I want a little lucky and savage with my cup of coffee. And you give me a reason to be grateful for my blessings. Yeah, 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 yeah. You make every single day feel like a Sunday morning. There you go.
Performing for us this morning on Cool 97 FM. All right, Soba, the first guest on our stage. So you're inside of a segment of Cool 97 FM that is brought to you through the courtesies of FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. And they're over there in White Marl, St. Catherine. Their number is 876-649-0386. So our next guest is with us in studio, and we're going to have a few moments with Renza. That's how you pronounce your name?
Yeah,
Renza. Yes. So welcome to Cool 97 FM. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and thanks for having me.
Oh, it's our pleasure. So you're one of 3 guests this morning. You're up next. You scared of our stage yet?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So give us an idea, for those who don't know you, how was music a part of your life growing up? Like what you used to hear in your house?
Well, thanks be to my dad, Donald Rowe, a.k.a. Buckle Pine Bad Gear. Yeah, from Mountainside, St. Elizabeth. Banting district. Yeah, growing up back then, we didn't have electricity.
Oh.
Yeah, and so we used to use, like, my father used to use the car battery to charge the battery. Back then, he used to have a radio named Black Magic Radio.
Really?
Yes, and it has the cassette tape. So one that you press and it flies open, and the other one that you push it inside of it. So on a Saturday morning, we would hear reggae music coming in straight, because my dad is like that. He liked reggae music. So that's where it all started.
So is that the kind of music you do?
Yes.
Ah, okay. You've been involved in your fair share of competitions. Yes, now I remember. I read it earlier. What makes you so competitive?
It's just a drive inside of me. You know, I have something that I feel I should share to the world. So, yeah, it just pushed me.
Nice.
Yeah.
Competitiveness doesn't seem to be all that popular. So tell us now, you've taken this competitiveness to music, the music industry. Give us a sense of what drove you to enter gospel song competition, festival song competition, or popular song competition. And what have you managed to learn from those experiences that have helped to hone your craft and build you as an artist?
Well, in 2019, I remember I was at this apartment doing some work, and I was outside, and I was singing. And this lady, she was inside of her house, and she heard me singing. And she came outside, and she was...
Do you remember what you were singing?
One of my songs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and she came outside, and she was listening to me, but I didn't know that she was there. And then she said, "Oh my God, I thought I was listening to the radio." And she said, "You know what, I think you should enter one of those competitions, you know." She said, "I think you should enter Rising Star." And I said, "I will think about it." But then I entered the JCDC festival, gospel festival song competition.
Why you went with the gospel competition and not the
at that
Rising
time,
Stars?
Well, at that time where my mind was at the time. So I just decided that I was going to enter that competition first.
How did you perform?
was
Where
good.
did you place?
Well, I was one of the finalists. Yes. That experience was very good because it propelled me further and also helped me to manage the stage and how to perform in front of large crowds. So I'm really grateful for that.
You got vocal training as well?
Yeah.
Oh, good. All right. So now you transition to the popular song competition. Now I take it you mashed that up too.
That was a nice experience. Yeah. Just finished that a couple of weeks back. That competition also elevated my performance some more. And I'm grateful for the exposure that was given through JCDC.
How did you place in that competition? You know, like where you like go to the top
Well,
20, where you managed to end up?
I made it to the finals.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so and the finals is 10 finalists. So 176 entries, and I came up in the top 10.
It sounds like Rising Stars is next. How do you keep yourself grounded in a competitive environment such as the ones you've mentioned? And what do you have coming up next in terms of releases?
Yeah, in terms of grounded, I'm a faith-based person. I believe in the Almighty God. So that's where I get my strength from.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, coming up, I'll be releasing a song called Yashaya pretty soon. So that project will be released very soon.
What does that mean?
Well, Yashaya is a Hebrew name for Christ.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All right. Wow. So when is that going to be released?
very soon.
Yeah, very soon, like when?
Very, very soon.
Very soon, like
Yeah.
next week. Okay.
Very, very soon.
So when you're ready to release the song, please let us know here at Cool 90s.
Certainly, I will.
Okay, you hear that? Certainly. Sounds like a very big voice. You're going to be going to our stage next, and you're going to be performing live. How many songs you're going to attempt to do? Because we're going to our Cool Flight Pack in the next few minutes. So while you're settling out there, I'll be doing my Cool Flight Pack. We'll have the commercials at 8, and then we'll come to you. How many songs you plan on
I
doing?
prepared 5 songs. I don't know if I will be able to do all of them, but I prepared 5.
Okay, if you see yourself running out of time, you know what you're going to do? You're going to change it to a medley style, all right?
Okay.
And that way you just flow. Okay,
All right,
there you
cool.
go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, so Renza is going to be hitting your stage right after our Cool Flight Pack on Cool 97 FM. All the very best and thank you. Oh, you didn't tell us your social media handles in case anybody wants to keep following you.
Oh, yes, and people gonna kill me because I didn't big them up, you know.
Oh, yeah, well, well, you're
Yeah.
back to big them up.
Yes, I just want to take the time out to big up Sir Dacus, engineer. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up Peter Walker. And big up all the crew in Sander Park, St. Elizabeth. Yeah. My social handlers are on Instagram. You can get me at Lorenzo, Lorenzo Row 1982. And TikTok at Lorenzo8. And Facebook, Lorenzo Row. And YouTube, Lorenzo Row.
Okay, all right. So thank you ever so much for joining us on Cool 97 FM.
Again, thank you for having me.
Okay, you're most welcome. So we're going to go to the commercials right after we do our Cool Flight Pack. Let's see what...
This week, we're going live on Cool 97 FM. Tune in to Live Tuesday, your spot for the coolest live music on the rock. Inside Live Tuesday, July 30 from 7 to 9 a.m. Back with us is Soba. Then fresh off the JCDC trail, we've got Renza. Plus, Jay Ritten takes the cool stage. Catch it all from the Cool 97 FM studios and streaming on cool97fm.com. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, and brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water, and Chemix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music. This week, we're going live on Cool 97 FM. Tune in to Live Tuesday, your spot for the coolest live music on the rock. Inside Live Tuesday, July 30 from 7 to 9 a.m. Back with us is Soba. Then fresh off the JCDC trail, we've got Renza. Plus, Jay Ritten takes the cool stage. Catch it all from the Cool 97 FM studios and streaming on cool97fm.com. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, and brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water, and Chemix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
We want to meet you, all right? Okay, so one more and then we get back to Live Tuesday and the performances continue all the way up to 9 o'clock. Stewart's Hardware Home Center, where the price is right and the customer comes first. They have building supplies, paint and accessories, tools and hardware, household items, lawn and garden supplies, and more. Visit any of their locations in Maypen, Old Harbour, Lionel Town, Longville Park, and Mandeville. WhatsApp 876-820-7500. Stewart's Hardware Home Center, building values. Longville Park, eh? That community seems to be just growing astronomically. Yeah. Okay, so Maxine from Longville Park saying hi to you as well. Now we go back to the music on Cool 97, a segment of Live Tuesday that's sponsored by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water, improve your health, bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine, telephone 876-649-0386. So we're inside of that segment where we're going to hear from the artist Renza, and still to come this morning, Jay Ritten. Remember, Live Tuesdays being streamed via KOOL97fm.com. Simply go to that website and then click on the Live Tuesday tile.
I mean, say, why, whoa, yeah. Why, whoa, yeah. Why, whoa, yeah. Oh, them cold-hearted. Why you so quick to kill? Oh, them cold-hearted. Well, it no matter, daddy or mama, gunshot a beat and they will fix you up proper cold-hearted. Why you so quick to kill? Oh, them cold-hearted. Quick to kill, and them no kill. Fire them guns anytime, anywhere. Coulda inna the church or out inna the square. Boss off you with them, no have no fear. When arguments start, at them force a draw. No care if a mother, sister, no brother. Not thinking of the consequences, no. Cold-hearted. Why you so quick to kill? Oh, them cold-hearted. Well, it no matter, daddy or mama, gunshot a beat and they will fix you up proper cold-hearted. Why you so quick to kill? Oh, them cold-hearted. Ooh, well, now, hey, now, yeah. Hold on, yeah. Sin, eh. Kill it, too trigger happy. Tell me why you quick to make dope. I leave another family unhappy. Them kind of liberty, why you pissed up? Hey, don't you know that's not the way, Judge? I thought I told you before. Oh Lord, cold-hearted. I mean, say, why you so quick to kill? Oh, them cold-hearted. Well, it no matter, daddy or mama, gunshot a beat and they will fix you up proper cold-hearted. Why you so quick to kill? Oh, them cold-hearted. Kill it, too trigger happy. Tell me why you quick to make dope. I leave another family unhappy. Them kind of liberty, why you be stopping? Don't you know that's not the
so proper cold-hearted? Why you so quick to kill? Oh, them cold-hearted. Love ya. While they talking, oh well. Lava dem a chat, put all of that. Can't put food in my pot, me have to work hard right round the clock. From 6 to 2 to 10 o'clock. Lava dem a chat, put all of that. Can't put food in my pot, me have to work hard right round the clock. From 6 to 2 to 10 o'clock. To make it in this life ain't not easy, me booty lean, I'ma put them cheesy. Poverty a strike and me feel so dizzy. Me picnic them a ball, I said daddy me hungry. So when me I go do Lord, I want this on me sufferation real. But this suit not pick me more time, me have to clean dirty floor, then me wipe it. Break people yard and dash with them garbage. Lava them a put all of that. Can't put food in a me. Work hard right round the clock. From 6 to 2 to 10 o'clock. Lava them a chat. Put all of that. Can't put food in my pot. Me have to work hard right round the clock. From 6 to 2 to 10 o'clock. Beg me now bow to no man. Put me faith and me trust in the Almighty One. Him a bring me through my tribulation. Him bless me with a voice. Him give me a song. Bless me with 2 feet. Him give me 2 hands by the straight of the bro. I will eat I bread. So I'm giving thanks for the shelter over my head. I'm grateful. Lava dem a chat. Put all of that. Can't put food in my pot. Me have to work hard right round the clock. From 6 to 2 to 10 o'clock. Lava dem a chat. Put all of that. Can't put food in my pot. Me have to work hard right round the clock. From 6 to 2 to 10 o'clock. This if you make it in and this time be no easy. Me booty lean, I'ma put them cheesy. Poverty a strike and me feel so dizzy. Me picnic them a ball, I said daddy me hungry. So when me I go do Lord, I want this on me sufferation real. But this suit now fit me more time. Me have to clean dirty floor, then me wipe it. Bring people yard and dash with them garbage. Lava them a chat. I will always give thanks and praise unto the Most High. Oh Lord, yeah. You know His worthy of all praise, you know. Oh Lord. God we are praise, make we praise Him. Need no debating, no. No time wasting. We not evil, we not partaking. God we are praise, make we praise Him, yeah. Need no debating, no. Life over death, we got our hope, so we strive for the best. As salt of the earth, we were called to preserve. We were commissioned to go on a mission, spread the word to every division. Oh, they all should know Christ is the only way to go. God we are praise, make we praise Him. Need no debating, no. Taken. God we are praise, make we praise Him. Yeah. Need no debating, no. Oh Lord, oh yeah, no. As medical science increases, so many people dying of diseases. Yes, I know something must be wrong. Well, every day a new invention, guided by the hands of Satan, causing chaos and destruction everywhere we go. The chosen people, now is the time to be an example, to live your life like Christ's disciples. Yes, I know God we are praise, make we praise him. Need no debating, no. Oh Lord, we not evil, we not partaking. God, we are praise, make we praise him. Yeah, need no debating, no. Oh Lord, ooh yeah. Rise up, be chosen people. Now is the time to be an example, to live your life like Christ's disciple. The world needs to know, the world needs to know that we are praise, make we praise him. Need no debating, no. No time wasted. We not evil, we not partaking. God, we are praise, make we praise him. Yeah, need no debating, no. Oh Lord, ooh yeah. God, we are praise, make we praise him. Need no debating, no. Oh Lord, yeah. Giving thanks and praise, no and always. Oh Lord, yeah. Oh, bless me now. Oh, bless me now. Yeah. Bless me, Lord, in everything. In my going out and coming in. Bless me, Lord, this is my birth. Guide my steps each and every day. Bless me, Lord, in everything. In my going out and coming in. Bless me, Lord, this is my. Oh Lord, I see blessing in the city, I'm blessing in the fields. Blessing it a flow and it ain't conceal. Give thanks for the blessings and yet another deal. Rose on my back and my daily meal. Your love is on display. Oh Lord, I'm thankful to see this lovely day. Bless me, Lord, in everything. In my going out and going in. Bless me, Lord, this is my birth. Guide my steps each and every day. Bless me, Lord, in everything. In my going out and oh Lord, bless me, Lord, this is my prayer. It was ordained to be for I to be blessed. I lift up my eyes to you, you took me out my years. Never seen the righteous forsaken, nor his children go begging. As my shepherd, my daily needs are met. Bless me, Lord, in everything. In my going out and coming in. Bless me, Lord, this is my birth. Guide my steps each and every day. Bless me, Lord, in everything. In my going out and bless me, Lord, this is my prayer. Oh Lord, well I see blessing in the city, I'm blessing in the fields. Blessing it a flow and it ain't conceal. Give thanks for the blessings and yet another deal. Clothes on my back and my daily meal. Guidance and protection, Lord. Your love is on display. Oh Lord, I'm thankful to see this lovely day. Me have a song for the nation. Help me sing this version. Oh well, song for the nation. Wame, wamba Jamaica. So give me by Jamaica. I mean, no want too much foreign culture. Cause no for them I come in like a vulture. Wame, wamba Jamaica. One me son, one back me daughter. For them made it for a major disaster. Wame, wamba, hear me now well. Do you remember the old time Jamaica? When everyone used to care for them neighbor. No fight, no cursing them elder. Nowhere the love has gone. give me by Jamaica. I mean, no want too much foreign culture. Cause enough of them a come in like a. Me say me want by Jamaica. Want me son, want back me daughter. For they made it for a major disaster. Want me. Jamaica, where me come from, is a liquor island. We are blessed by God with great musicians, sportsman and woman. Our icon, not to mention tourist attraction. Them left from abroad, why them come to enjoy themselves in the golden sun. When I eat curry goat, them a beat white rum. Them love the island vibes. Want back. So give me back Jamaica. I mean, no want too much foreign culture. Cause enough of them a come in like a. Me say me want back. Want me son, want back me daughter. For they made it for a major disaster. Want back. Hear me now. Me want back me sea, want back me sun, want back me water, want back me land. Sweet Jamaica, they me come from. We lick up but we talawa, pan champion. From you looking at me face, no ask no question. Clothes and me wear and food with me yam. Everybody don't know me is a Jamaican. So push up on your one, let me sing this ya. Want back. So give me back Jamaica. I mean, no want too much foreign culture. Cause enough of them a come in like a. Me say me want back. Want me son, want back me daughter. For they made it for a major disaster. Want back. You know well. Do you remember the old time Jamaica? When everyone used to care for them neighbor. No fight, no cursing them elder. Nowhere do love has gone. Really, I don't know. For we have drifted so far apart from each other. Love you. Cool FM.
It's the foreign exchange. Thank you ever so much, Renzo. All right, so now we're joined in the studio by Jay Ritten. Good morning and welcome to Cool.
Blessed morning and everything, you know. I give thanks for being here, you know.
Oh, our pleasure to have you over. All right, so we're going to kickstart this interview because we don't really have much time left to the show. Let's give you as much time as possible to perform, all right? So talk to us about your early start in the music business as a writer and what led you there. And what were you able to make as a result?
Well, as a writer, I didn't start off like writing music. I just fell in love with words, so I just began on the journey of words, you know, just writing, trying to understand what it was. And then you tried many ways of getting sounds of different words until it turned into music. It's what I say, because word and sound and power is what I say. I love writing. It's my passion mainly. You understand, singing is just something secondary, but you know, it led us to this, you know.
You write for any other artists?
Yeah, quite a few.
Mm-hmm.
Quite a few, yeah. You'd be surprised.
Okay, surprise us. Any songs that we know out there?
Maybe. Well, when it comes to the writing, we keep them conversations in the studio because someone's not really, you know.
Okay.
But yeah, maybe quite a few.
Quite a few. All right. So, what sparked you now to step up as a singer?
Well, it wasn't just me. It was like family, friends, community. They saw the need to hear the voice that I had, and not just the words, not just read what I was saying, like hear it and understand it from the perspective that I wrote it. Is what I say. And yeah, that's just where the inspiration came from. Like, everybody just wanted to, you know what we were saying and what we were thinking.
Explain something to us. So if you write a song for somebody else, you connect with the lyrics because you penned them. But how difficult is it, or have you found it to be difficult to relay that to the person who is going to now interpret your lyrics, for them to hit it on the head how you saw it?
Well, it's always a hard thing to do, is like creating something and giving it away. But we understand that was the whole purpose of writing it in the first place. Sometimes it's not the best thing because it's like you write something so personal, even though it's for somebody. You wrote it from the perspective that you are seeing it, and you never want to give them it, boy. I said, "I know star." Well, yeah, that's what I said. But it is a painful process, man. It's like giving away the music you create. Yeah.
Okay, so what does music allow you to do in this world, and what have been some of the highlights for you so far on your musical journey?
Well, I just released like my first album. It's what I said with Dr. Dread and Naramp. It's called Kaleidoscope. Everybody can go check out what it is, isn't it? I was casted in the Bob Marley movie the other day, yeah, as Junior Brathwaite. You know, the writer for the Wailers. Them just love fling this writer thing, and yes, what I say. There's quite a lot of things, you know. I was working with Mikey from like Ballad till now, tall areas, we call it 2A. Yeah, man. So we were always that's like a big part of my growth, you know.
That must have been quite a shift. 2023, you start out January, I wonder what 22, you know, everybody with the resolutions, what they're going to bring. And then boom, you get Bob Marley movie.
Yeah. It was crazy. Like directly after the movie, like the movie we finished cast. I'm shooting today. I got a broken foot the next day, so it's not more than that time. And it's like him say, "Yo, go make the movie, break a leg." So yeah, we'll give thanks for it, you know.
So we didn't mean to laugh at you, but
no, laugh with me, man. I tell you, it was funny when me did get it, you know.
Wow. Okay, so no doubt you've been creating. What can we look for? Oh, hold on. Well, let's save that question. We have our cool message that we have to pull now on a few commercials. The time is...
This week, we're going live on Cool 97 FM. Tune in to Live Tuesday, your spot for the coolest live music on the rock. Inside Live Tuesday, July 30 from 7 to 9 a.m. Back with us is Soba. Then fresh off the JCDC trail, we've got Renza. Plus, Jay Ritten takes the cool stage. Catch it all from the Cool 97 FM studios and streaming on cool97fm.com. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, and brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water, and Chemix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music. This week, we're going live on Cool 97 FM. Tune in to Live Tuesday, your spot for the coolest live music on the rock. Inside Live Tuesday, July 30 from 7 to 9 a.m. Back with us is Soba. Then fresh off the JCDC trail, we've got Renza. Plus, Jay Ritten takes the cool stage. Catch it all from the Cool 97 FM studios and streaming on cool97fm.com. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, and brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water, and Chemix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music. This week, we're going live on Cool 97 FM. Tune in to Live Tuesday, your spot for the coolest live music on the rock. Inside Live Tuesday, July 30 from 7 to 9 a.m. Back with us is Soba. Then fresh off the JCDC trail, we've got Renza. Plus, Jay Ritten takes the cool stage. Catch it all from the Cool 97 FM studios and streaming on cool97fm.com. That's Live Tuesday, hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson, and brought to you by FX Trader, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water, and Chemix Audio. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
We were speaking with Jay Ritten, our third guest of the morning for Live Tuesday. Let me remind you that this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. We also have to welcome this time around the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Remember to ask about the vegan veggie balls when you go to major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. Now, coming up, we're going to continue our conversation, and then Jay Ritten is going to perform for you. So we're at the point in asking about what we can look forward to in terms of new music, and I figure new music would be part of any project that you're working on.
Yeah, definitely. I'm back in the studios nowadays, like just working. As I said, we just released an album the other day, so it's all about promoting it. But with me is that once this thing is finished, I want to get started on the next one. So I'm literally in the studio cooking up more, just chefing all of that brain food together, so we can give it to the ones that want full them brain and them belly. Yeah.
10 fried dumplings.
Yes.
You heard 10 fried dumplings?
I hear it and I say, yo, are you alone eat 10? And she said, no, she split it. You see me? And, man.
Naturally. With a following, they probably want to know where next they can catch you in performance. Plus, more than likely, you're going to win some people over this morning when you perform. Where next, aside from Cool, can we see you in performance?
Definitely. I'll be very honest with you. I'm just kind of like a random person at this moment. I'm just here preparing for September because I'll be over in England September. So I'm not really trying to do much. But when it comes to music, you'll just pop up at a spot because there's lots of live music spots. And as when them see me or them see my Adrian David Slur, you understand? So them call the Trench Town Posse. You see me, them would just fling the microphone in a way, and I will love and respect them for it, and them love and respect we, so we always stand tall to the task, Yeah, man.
Okay, neat. All right, so Jay Ritten, he's joined us this morning on Cool 97 FM for Live Tuesday. Now, he's going to be going on the outside to perform right now. While he makes his way to the microphone, I think I'm going to just take a time signal at this point. Tactic World famous brands of tools distributed by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing are available at all leading hardware stores island-wide. Call 876-758-5583. The time by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, it is 8:45 a.m. And just to wrap and let you know that this morning we had Soba and her band, Renza, and of course Jay Ritten. And they all performed for us for Live Tuesday, today, July 30. I'm Diane Thomas. Others on the team this morning, Michael Thompson, DJ and sound engineer. Noran Price, thanks for the graphics and social media. Edson Johnson was streaming and is still streaming all the way up to 9 o'clock. Paul P. Diddy Dennis, broadcast technician, and Yoshika Graham, our producer. Remember, there are others behind the scenes, Airtel Cool team members who helped to make the broadcast possible. So just a quick shout out and saying thank you to you. Let's go to our stage right now, and Jay Ritten performs.
Blessed morning, Cool FM. You understand it's a joy, it's an honor being here again. So I say big up all the ones them who listening and keep listening, you understand, because it's a good vibe. Everything Irian all right.
Ready? Yeah. And this one is called Keep the People Poor, you understand? From the Kaleidoscope album. I just hope everybody just keep streaming it and every little thing. Yes, what I say? Keep cool. Yes, what I say? Like 97. It's what it is. Yes, what I say? Just be bossy and smile. See, watch out now. Boom. And keep the people poor. Yeah. Go around and shoot up the most. Like Babylon run big food. Now a big dance like everything good. And them keep the people poor. Yeah. Go round and shoot up the most, Lord. Babylon run big food. Now a big dance like everything good. I miss a gather, mother gather. A price for all the shatters. Show me your rifle, get a Jordan and a jacket. If you want it done, me can fly. You go to Japan and come back. You think could never flop as long as you gather, mother gather. In line. You get everything but in time. You a got jailhouse and go drink wine. Cause your people pay the big price when you keep your people poor. Yeah. Go round and shoot up the most, Lord. Babylon run big food. Now a big dance like everything good. When you keep your people poor. Yeah. Go round and shoot up the most, Lord. Babylon run big food. Now a big dance like everything good. Watch you now. Can't trick a Rastaman. I love me use a wig up on the land. Yeah. Sight to make a mash up all your plan. Cause we don't see you corrupt from day one no long. Things are changed and you fear that this come with consequence like bareback. How the youth have subjects as a failure. You know, sister Babylon for pagans. Keep the people poor. Yeah. Go round and shoot up the most, Lord. Babylon run big food. Now a big dance like everything good. And then keep with people poor. Yeah. Go round and shoot up the most, Lord. Babylon run big food. Now a big dance like everything good. And I say, keep it cool and irate. From the 97 FM now. I've written up on the microphone. Now we are freestyle. Cause we just can't do it on the pan show. And we said roll up. Roll up, roll up, nice and cool, and anyway we sweet like donut. The girl them love because we full of style, and everywhere we step is where we wicked and wild. Cause the whole of them keep with people poor. Yeah, go round and shoot up them moves, Lord. If you want it done, you can fly, you go to Japan. Now a big dance like everything good. Mercy, 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 mercy. Yes, I really don't know. It's Jay written on the Cool FM 97. Yes, where I say it's a bossy piece of style in the morning. I'm feeling airy, I'm feeling lively, and I feel very, very, very good. You understand? Feel like I about to go eat 10 dumpling after this. Yes, why I said just squeeze the other one. You see what I said? And this one is called My Queen for all the daughters them. You understand me? I say from you have a king and you have a queen. Big up yourself. That's what I say. It's what it is. You know, just look on her straight and make sure you know. Fight with all your might. I see you hurt like satellites. Rolling arms don't got a light. As strong as you can be, Aphrodite above queen, as kind as all the trees them. Yeah. May the birds them and the bees be amazed by what they see, cause great is how I'm feeling. Yeah. I could not believe when you stretch the hands and reach. I know that I will keep you warm. You thought to run and never creep. Don't hide from what you seek. At this I love you, keep me calm. And I say my queen, save me from the terrors of the valley, oh Jah. And I say my queen, save me from the deepness of the ocean, from the commotion. And my queen, save me from the terrors of the valley, oh Jah, Jah. And I say my queen, save me from the deepness of the ocean, from the commotion. Hey. Boom. These streets could never take you away from me. Even when I'm far, she still waits on me. The beauty of my queen is her patience, oh Jah, Jah. There's beauty in my queen, it's her faith, and it never ends, yeah. And time again, I feel, oh Jah. But with you by my side, I will prevail. Oh Lord, this world has turned us into slaves, yeah. And it has been broken by the goodness of our ways. And that's my queen. Save me from the terrors of the valley, oh Jah. And that's my queen. Save me from the deepness of the ocean, from the commotion. And my queen, take me from the terrors of the valley, oh Jah, Jah. And that's my queen. Save me from the deepness of the ocean, from the commotion. See, pick it up again and say, a joy I bring.
Alright, be comfy, mix it up and lift it up again. Cool FM Jerry, brother. Alright, yeah man, a join on me heart from me first set of days. How many come along and them they try change ways. When the pressures of the system lick me hard, hold me tight. But I remain as confident like you see us clear. From the crown of me naughty to the soul of me sweat. With all of me problems to judge a higher praise. So just easy, no arrogant and I care. No bag of cussing and no bad mind games in a play. I've got no time to stress and mope around. Cause life is so hard just on its own. So I mix my smile up with my frown. Cause your love I found.
And my life is joy, joy, no joy. Say my life is joy, yeah. Joy, oh joy, joy. Say my life is joy. Watch it out. Right now me glad. Me full of joy like old woman. Where I meet them grand. Me full of empty pocket, but me still a make the chat. No Sunday dinner, no day, but me joyful with me gas. Written there with the chat. Just pass the microphone, make me chop it up and bring it up again. Then me pass the rhythm, give my key, say chop it up, me friend. College pass the ital thing and tell them go away with them blem. Then me get up with the rhythm, just so mash it up again. Because I've got no time to stress and mope around.
Cause life is so hard
just on its own.
So I'll mix my smile up with my frown.
The child of I found and my life is joy.
Joy, say joy, my life is joy, yeah.
Joy,
joy, say joy, my life is joy, yeah. Alright, say money no lie. It's not the reason why I'm smiling. I need no buy, no happiness, I'm not searching. Just a supply, my everything, not much I'm asking.
2 bills in my pocket and we still a left a thing.
I put a down in the gutters, I live
up on the hill.
From your words in my soul,
no problem cannot kill me.
Oh, time to time we face the hardest of times. Man can create it problems.
So they want rock your vibes now. I've got no time to stress and mope around. Cause life is so hard just on its own. So I mix my smile up with my frown. And child love I found. And my life is joy, joy, oh joy. Say my life is joy, yeah. It's joy, joy, oh joy. Say my life is joy, yeah. Pick up yourself from my brother David Slur. You understand? You always come through, come give you some energy as well. Say, sure man say, David Slur, that in a TV line and radio line and everybody, if you don't know him, them and they're general. That's what man say, Rastafari. And this one is called Nothing Like Love. You understand? Who don't know what love is? Them need to understand your love is more than just for your significant others, you understand? And I say, ain't nothing like a thing called love. Ain't nothing like a thing called love, Jah. Ain't nothing like a thing called love. Watch out. It's a good to me change my ways. Cause if I'm back in the days, them get a slap in them face. We have a thing in our way. And another pan the ways. So when we step in at the place, we put the rapers and the baby killers back in at them space. Oh Lord have mercy now. Slash said fi only fight, and if tell me say me fi always love and never hate. So I give praises to Slashy. I know that thing is great. I and I name is written. I tell you celebrate because we clean like a whistle. And anytime we step, so we can never miss her. And we say we nice like rice. And anybody love we have to come back twice. Oh Lord, I say we cool like a whistle. And anytime we step, so me can never miss her. And me say me nice like rice. And anybody love me, have to come back. 1, 2, 3, or 5. Ain't nothing like a thing called love. Ain't nothing like a thing called love, Jah. Ain't nothing like a thing called love. Listen who I love. Me love my mother, love my father, love my sister, love my brother. Them love step with me every time I touch another end. Every time I touch the street, me pray before me go to sleep. And every time I get a meal, I give thanks for the little bit. Oh Lord, some little boy a fire shot, give them a roll on. Them attitudes think them need forget a shower. Go hold a shower, go hold a shower, shower. Cause when we roll up, we fresh like peppermint, we bold. Watch some boy, I watch it thing, and just so them patrol. Wonder how we see, cause we never get no corona. Wonder how the crew a click so well, and we no whole grudge. We clean like a whistle. And anytime we step, so we can never miss her. And we say we nice like rice. And anybody love, we have to come back twice. So Lord, I say we clean, and we are like the scheme, and we got the padlock, the chains and the key. Oh Lord, them say we nice like rice. And anybody love, we have to come back. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Ain't nothing like a thing called love. Ain't nothing like a thing called love, Jah. Ain't nothing like a thing called love. You understand? As I say in the morning, blessings, light, you understand? Love yourself, understand yourself, respect the road because the road respect you. You understand? Keep listening to Cool 97 and keep it cool, you know? That is what it is, Rastafari.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.